guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Ananya, and in today's video I will be going through my birthday glam makeup look. Yes, I just turned 22 on the 4th and I wanted to glam it up a little bit. This eye look is a bit more bronzy, taupey eyeshadow look. I feel like I don't really play around with the shimmery shadows, so I was really excited to create this look. And the hair is also sleek and pulled back. So if you're excited to see how this look went from this to this, then stay tuned. If you guys like what you see so far, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button down below. That would be like the best birthday present ever. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post my next video. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, so I'm going to be starting off with my La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Baume Moisturizer. My skin has been feeling so dry recently, so I am really packing this on. I am then going in with my Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask so it can be moisturized by the time I get to my lips. For my foundation today, I'm going in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This foundation really lets my skin glow from within. For my concealer today, I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Concealer, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and blending it out with my brush. I was sitting behind my camera, my table, all my makeup, and had to ask my brother to wet my sponge, and he decided to help me blend. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Mercier translucent powder. Right after I applied the powder, my face was feeling super dry, so then I went in with the MAC Fix Plus just to blend all the powders together. I've been in love with this contour stick from Juvias Place, so I'm just applying it on my forehead, in the hollows of my cheekbones, nose, and underneath my chin. I'm using my Morphe Y8 brush to blend that all out since it has the perfect amount of fluffiness and density. I'm going in with a smaller brush for my nose contour, and then I'm going to blend that all out with my beauty blender. In order to set that cream contour, I'm going in with the MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer. I felt that the bronzer just came a little bit too low, so I'm going back in with my Laura Mercier powder and just creating a sharper line underneath the bronzer. I'm going to go in with the MAC blush in Raizin. I know this looks like a crazy amount of blush, but my skin just eats blush, so I have to add a little bit extra, but you'll see that it blends out. I'm also putting a little bit of blush on my nose. Now for the eyes, I'm going back in with my concealer and just adding a base. I added a little bit of Laura Mercier powder on my beauty blender just to set that. I I know I've been using this palette a lot, but I absolutely love the Juvias Place Chocolates palette. It's like a simple 6-shade palette, but they are so beautiful. I'm going in with the lightest shade just to add a base for the darker shades. I just wanted to finish the brows before continuing with the eyes, so I'm going in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and filling in my eyebrows. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be taking a flat brush. You can take any brush that you have, spraying some Fix Plus on it, and I'm going in with the 2 shimmery shades in the palette. I'm mixing both together and just applying it all over my lid. I know this is a little bit backwards. We usually add the transition shades first, but now that I've applied my lid shades, I'm going in with the lighter shade and the matte brown and using that to blend out my crease. I'm also pulling it outwards to create a V effect. I'm not going to be adding any wing liner, so this is going to give it more of a shape. The key to this look and almost every eye look is blending, blending, blending. I go in with my fluffy brush and blend the matte shades out, and then I go back in with the shimmers just to give it more oomph. I really like to layer my shimmers, so I actually went in with another shade from another Juvias Place palette, but you can use any light gold shimmery shade that you have. I just used my finger to put it on the very center of my lid. I then went back in and blended, blended, blended. I hadn't used this highlight in a really long time, so I'm going in with the Becca highlight in Champagne Pop, adding it underneath my brow bone and also in my inner corner. I felt like the eye needed a little bit more definition, so I'm going in with the darker shades and just adding a little bit on the outer third of my eye. Going back in with the highlight, I'm adding it to the highest points of my cheeks. And oh my god, I totally forgot how beautiful this highlight is. Now to finish up the lower lash line, I'm going back in with the lighter transition shade and also the brown and just adding it on my waterline. I'm also taking the darker shade and just focusing on the outer third. Using my beauty blender, I'm just blending everything out, and then also using a brush, I'm just blending everything out. I'm using the Pierre blush topper to bring the highlight and the blush together. This blush gives a really nice natural glow and just brings everything together. For my lips today, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Rome, and then I also added the shade Berlin to make it a bit darker. This felt a little bit too creamy, so I added some Laura Mercier powder to mattify the look. And I know adding powder on lips just seems like so drying, but it really wasn't. It blended in beautifully with the formula of the lip cream, and it was very soft. This is the final look that I came up with. I am really happy with the way that it turned out, and I think my lashes look okay today. I've been having a little tough time with my lash glue, and I'm on the hunt for like a new one and a better one. So I just used the Ardell lash glue today, and I think it turned out okay. I really hope that you guys like this transformation and it inspires you to create your own glam look. This sleek ponytail is also just been really my vibe. I'm kind of tired of leaving my hair down. I really liked it when my hair was super short, and now it's like in the middle of like nowhere. So I've been really liking pulling it back and like tying it. But if you guys like the way that this look came out, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button down below. Also leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys have any video requests. I hope you guys stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys next week.